Hello everyone, in this short video I will show you how to use our Robeta Configurator. First you need to visit our robeta-campervans.com website and then you will find in the upper right corner the option Configurator. Now for the first step you need to choose your country to display the correct VAT and pricing. For example, I will choose Slovenia and then I need to click Confirm Selection. Now here you can see all the available models and down below there are all informations about each model. My preferred model is Robeta Adonis, so I will select the model here. Now we came to the configuration page. As you can see, you can find all the main options on the right side, while the live vehicle preview is displayed on the left. So here you can see how would your vehicle look like through the configuration. Now you can start with selecting the chassis, the engine, the height, transmission, exterior color, interior color, upholstery, and if you need any additional information, you just click to more information. Here you can see additional information. And if you would like to customize your campervan even further, open the advanced configuration section. So this is here, and here you will find additional equipment and option packages, everything that you can see over here. So now once you're happy with your selections, just simply click to Save Configuration. And then you need to input all your information and you will get the configurations to your email. So that's it. As you can see, the configuring your Robeta Campervan is quick and allows you to create the vehicle tailored to your needs. And from there you can contact our team to discuss the next steps, ask any questions or finalize your order. We are happy to help you every step of the way.